Building now with the latest. And Marty, why are they trying to make a connection to the quake?
Well, it's one of several theories that they're looking into. It's simply because they found that some tiles were loose, and they thought that that could be a spot where the Legionella bacteria might be growing. However, again, it is one of many theories. It is not definitive as of this point. There is some good news to report to you tonight, as good as it gets around here, the way things have been going the past couple of weeks. It's that the number of confirmed cases of people who have Legionnaires' disease has not gone up. It has remained constant at 9 confirmed cases, 4 possibles, and health officials are hoping that by Monday or Tuesday they will have the blood results back to decide whether or not those 4 possibles will be added to the list of the confirmed cases. Meantime, the cleanup continues. There is still no word on how long it's going to take, when this building will reopen. However, it's appearing more and more likely it's going to be much later than sooner. And because of that, there's a new sense of urgency in finding a new headquarters. New computers are being unwrapped and prepared for service. They'll be moved into a makeshift office at the Social Security Training Center. That's the same building where a clinic has been set up for employees. The computers are a sign that some Social Security workers will be back on the job sometime soon, probably early next week.
They all have checks.
About 100 or so Social Security employees are back on the job now, but not the job they're trained for. They're sorting mail and filing inactive cases. Supervisors have been doing this most of the week, but in the past couple of days, a small group of employees have volunteered to leave their paid leave.
I see that they was in a time of need and they needed my help at the time, and I felt that I could give them a helping hand, so I came in.
I felt guilty staying at home being paid. I mean, I think most of us have got a strong work ethic and if we're getting paid, we should be working.
The Social Security Administration has been scrambling to find a 60,000 square foot facility to at least partially replace this one. They're looking for a location in the East Bay near a BART station. It would house about 400 employees. More than 200 workers will be sent to field offices. There are 35 field offices in the Bay Area. 25 others have been temporarily transferred to the San Francisco regional office, and an undetermined number of workers will be moved to other offices in the Bay Area. No one knows how long it will take to sanitize the building. Not knowing is tough on managers.
That's the worst part, not knowing. All of the managers have to report every day, but we don't know from day to day what we're doing, because we have to wait and see.
And employees alike.
It's under a lot of stress to try to figure out where you're going to be going or what you'll be doing in the future.
Now, the employees and the administrators are going to get together again sometime early next week, either Monday or Tuesday, to talk over the latest plans and to find out when the workers will be going back to work in their new offices situated throughout the East Bay and probably into San Francisco as well. They hope to have at least half the workforce back in an office doing the work of the Social Security Administration by Wednesday. Don and Cheryl, back to you.
All right, Marty, it's been a difficult 2 weeks or so for them, that's for certain. Marty Gonzalez, live from the East Bay. Thank you.